Have you ever been stopped at a red light and the car next to you is brand new? Glossy paint, clean interior, fancy headlights, and you're sitting there thinking, man, am I really this far behind? Your AC only works on one setting, your car makes a noise when you turn left, and the check engine light has basically become part of the dashboard decor. And on the surface, it feels like you're losing. But here's what most people don't realize. That beat up, paid off car you're driving might actually be the smartest financial decision you're making right now. My name is clariwealthhub, and I spend way too much time thinking about money, behavior, and why people keep making the same financial mistakes. And if you're someone who feels behind financially, constantly compares yourself to others, or feels pressure to upgrade your life before your bank account is ready, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if it helps you think differently. Because today, we're not really talking about cars. We're talking about how small, boring decisions quietly shape your entire financial future. Let's break this down with real numbers. Say you buy a $45,000 car. You put $5,000 down. Finance $40,000, 6.5% interest, 72 months. Your monthly payment, about $670. Total paid over 6 years, around $48,000. Now, according to Kelley Blue Book, cars lose about 25% of their value in the first year and 50 to 60% within 5 years. So after 6 years, that $45,000 car might be worth $18,000 to $20,000. You paid almost $50,000 for something worth less than half that. Look, we've been sold a lie. That a nice car equals success. That upgrading your car is a reward. That a car payment is just a normal part of adult life. But here's the reality. According to Experian, the average new car payment is now over $730 per month, with loan terms stretching close to 6 years. 6 years for something that is guaranteed to lose value. That's not a reward. That's a financial trap. Now let's look at the beater, a $6,000 used car, paid in cash. No monthly payment, lower insurance, almost no depreciation left. And here's the key point. The difference isn't the car. The difference is what you do with the money you're not paying every month. Let's say instead of a $670 car payment, you invest that $670 every month. Nothing fancy, just a basic index fund. Assume a conservative 7% annual return. Over 6 years, that turns into roughly $60,000. So now compare. The beater driver has a paid-off car, $60,000 invested, zero car debt. The new car driver has a depreciated vehicle, no investments from that money, years of opportunity cost gone. Same income, same commute, completely different outcomes. Here's the truth. Cars aren't transportation decisions. They're identity decisions. Cars signal status. They provide instant gratification. They temporarily reduce insecurity. People don't buy expensive cars because the math makes sense. They buy them because they don't want to feel behind. And here's the dangerous part. Short-term confidence often destroys long-term financial freedom. Now, you might be thinking, okay, but beaters aren't reliable. Fair. But here's the thing. A well-maintained Toyota, Honda, or Mazda with a good service history can be incredibly reliable. Even if you spent $2,000 a year on repairs, that's about $167 per month. Still nowhere near $670. Another objection. I drive a lot. I need something dependable. Reliability comes from maintenance, not from buying new. And the big one. I deserve something nice. Look, you don't deserve stress. You don't deserve debt. What you deserve is options. Driving a beater gives you lower stress, more flexibility, stronger delayed gratification, less concern about what strangers think, And according to the millionaire next door, most self-made millionaires buy used cars, keep them for years, care more about net worth than net image. Real wealth is quiet. It doesn't try to impress anyone.